Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. Today I have such a fun video for you guys. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me, and I'm also sharing a bomb perfume company that I have been working with, Dossier Perfume, and I'm going to be showing you some of the perfumes that they sent me, and then I'm gonna go into a get ready with me and just do my 5 to 10 minute everyday chill makeup look and show you guys that. So if that sounds good to you, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to hang out with me here and push that red subscribe button. And yeah, let's just get into this get ready with me. Okay guys, so first off, I am partnering with Dossier Perfume. They have been working with me the last couple months. I have been testing out their perfumes, and they sent me 2 more perfumes to share with you guys. If you don't know what Dossier is, they are a clean perfume brand that has bomb prices, very affordable, from $29 to like $49, and you're getting a full-size perfume plus a sample so you can try out their perfume before you say yes. So they're gonna send you a box in the mail that looks just like this. It says Dossier on the front, and you're gonna open it up, and it's going to have a card in there that tells you all the notes and what it's inspired by, because these are inspired perfumes of luxury perfume brands. So this one is called Gourmand and White Flowers, and this is inspired by the Viktor & Rolf Flower Balm perfume, which I love and I actually have and own and love. They're going to send you the box. You're gonna open it up and you're gonna have your 50 ml bottle of perfume in here, and then you're also gonna have the little sample, and you're gonna take this sample and you have 30 days to return it if you don't like it. So if you don't like this little sample of the perfume that you chose, you're gonna send back the unopened bottle of the 50 ml bottle back to them, and you can exchange it or you can just get your money back. It's so cool, guys. I love this brand, and I think that's such a neat idea, and it's so cost effective that way, so you're not wasting money. I'm gonna go over this one with you. This is, like I said, the Gourmand and White Flowers. So the notes of this perfume are bergamot, green tea, freesia, berries. So those were the top notes. And then the middle notes are white flowers, orchid, rose. And the base notes of this one is musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. It is inspired by the Viktor & Rolf Flower Balm, and the one that they sent me smells so much the same, just a tiny bit different. It's not like 100% there, but obviously it's not going to be. So yeah, that is the Gourmand and White Flowers. So I'm gonna show you the other one that they sent me as well. So the other one they sent me, the same thing, a cute little box like this. This is Dossier on the front, and this is what is inside the box. So this one they sent me is called Floral Lavender, and it is inspired by the YSL Libra perfume. I have never smelled this one, so this one is new to me. It's not like I know what it smells like, the inspired one, but I'm so excited to smell this with you guys. I have not smelled it yet because I wanted to be first impressions for this one. This one's notes, it says, the top notes are mandarin, and then neroli and blackcurrant. The middle notes are jasmine, lavender, orange blossom, and the base notes are vanilla, amber, and musk. I'm really excited about this. Oh, that smells so good, guys. Oh, I highly recommend this one. I definitely smell jasmine, a little bit of vanilla, and then I also smell the citrusy mandarin in there. Definitely a little bit of lavender, but not heavy. I do not like super floral smells, but this one's so good. It smells like a flower garden, but not overpowering. I really like it. Another really cool thing about Dossier Perfume, which I just thought was so fun, even though they're super affordable, they still made a fun little detail on the bottle. I'm gonna show you. Magnetic cap. I get entertained easily, but that is just so much fun to me, and I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, guys, I definitely recommend the Floral Lavender. Anyways, guys, I have a link down below with all the Dossier information, and if you go to that link, you can go to their website and check them out yourself. And now we're gonna go into the video of the get ready with me, and you can see how I did this simple everyday makeup look. Then stick around and let's just get into that part of the video. Okay, guys. So we are gonna do a get ready with me. I'm so excited to do this with you guys. I've been wanting to do more of these on my channel. I actually started off YouTube doing beauty related videos. I'm gonna just share with you guys like my everyday makeup look. So let's just get into this. Okay, so now that my hair is out of the way, I always have my hair out of the way when I do my makeup. So I am just gonna start off with some moisturizer. I already had some on from earlier this morning, but I'm gonna put a little bit more on just because I have drier skin. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna use some moisturizer really quick here. And if you guys see me looking straight ahead, that's where my mirror is at. So this is just kind of what I got going on for my setup. Anyways, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my foundation and get that on my face. I use a Tarte foundation, which I love, and I will list everything down below, all the products I'm using in this video. And I use a blender sponge. Okay, and then you want to take a concealer. I'm just using a Tarte concealer. Yeah, I'm just gonna use that in the corners. Okay, so now that I have my concealer on and my foundation, then I'm going to go in with a setting powder. And this is by Pacifica. Like I said, guys, I have like everything listed down below. So guys, are you excited for spring? Like, I am so excited. The birds are singing outside right now and it's just like so peaceful. I love spring, especially in Virginia. It's just like so green and so alive and so beautiful, and there's like cherry blossoms. It's just so pretty. So yeah, leave me a comment down below if you're ready for spring, if it still feels like winter where you're at. Obviously it is spring now. In Virginia, it's becoming like spring here. The trees are just now blossoming, so it's really exciting to my heart because I just love spring. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with bronzer. So guys, like, you do not have to have these same type of products. I'm just showing you like my everyday like makeup routine and kind of just like the basic products that I use, and they could be from like any brand. So I have this little like to-go palette by Tarte and like so much of my makeup is from Tarte, but I have this little to-go palette that has bronzer, highlighter, and blush, which I love. So I'm just gonna go in with the bronzer, and then I'm gonna do blush. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the blush, which is also in this palette. It's always really nice to get palettes like this that you have like 3 in 1, just so you have it on hand and it's just a quick thing that you can grab. I think that shows up in the camera. Actually, it does. I'm gonna blend that out a little bit because that's actually a little too heavy for me. Okay, so I got my blush, my bronzer, my foundation, and then what I usually do, guys, this is like my super fast makeup routine when I don't have a lot of time and I just want to look more alive. I actually don't wear makeup like every day at all, but when I do put makeup on, this is mainly what I do. And so I have a little eyeshadow palette which looks like this, and it just has like some nice nude colors, basic colors, and I'm gonna use champagne color, the one next to it, which is nice for the crease, just to give me more definition on my eyes. And if you're also in a rush, you can always use bronzer in your crease, which actually I'm just gonna do that today and show you guys what that looks like, because that's like sometimes my go-to, just so that it's easy and quick. So I'm gonna take some bronzer and I'm gonna put that in my crease just to give me more definition. So yeah, you just do that and you blend it out a little bit, and it's not too heavy, just a little something. And then I'm going to go in, and some days I just use the highlighter in here as well for like the shade that's like a champagne shade, but today I'm gonna use a little bit more of a more shimmery shadow. And I just use my finger because it goes on really well. Shimmers go really well with your finger, just putting them on, like tapping them on, and that's my favorite way to do them. just like that, and it just gives you a little bit of awakeness to your eye. And I'm just going like halfway, like I'm not bringing it across my whole lid. It's just about halfway, and then the corners of my eyes. And then I use the extra and I do it on my nose a little bit and my Cupid's bow. Okay, so that is my super fast eyeshadow look. And this is, like I said, guys, just like everyday type of makeup, nothing glam. And I'm not even gonna do eyeliner today. I love to do wing eyeliner, and I will definitely do that in another video for you guys. But today I'm just showing you like a super fast, like 5 to 10 minute makeup look. So then you just want to use like an eyeshadow like this, where it has like a dark shade, and you just want to put that like a little bit around your eyes and a little bit on the outer V. And it just looks like that. It just gives it a little more definition. Okay, so then I'm just gonna put on some mascara, but before I do that, guys, I'm always forgetting my brows. Like, my brows are like pretty thick where I have eyebrows, but I actually have a lot of brow loss like right here and a little bit over here. So I have to do my brows really quick. And I just have a basic little palette trio for my brows. It's like a brow powder. Okay, so I just do my brows really quick. My brows are definitely not groomed like well right now, just because I haven't been to get them waxed professionally in so long with all this COVID going on. So yeah, my brows are kind of crazy, but hey, it's what I got right now. So, and then I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I always curl my eyelashes before I put on mascara. Okay, and then I'm gonna put on some mascara. This is a Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume Curl Mascara. I got this in an Allure beauty box, so it's not something I always use. I usually use either L'Oreal Paris Voluminous, or I use like a Tarte mascara, and I'm just gonna use this really quick. And I just usually put mascara on my top lashes. Sometimes I do the bottom lashes, but not every day. So I'm just gonna do the top lashes. And yeah, guys, this is basically like my everyday super fast makeup look. Like I said, if I have more time, I do like wing eyeliner, which I love to do, or a little more eyeshadow, but I'm pretty basic with what I do with my face lately because I have not had a lot of time. This is the finished look. Just like basic makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. I had so much fun showing you guys just my everyday 5 to 10 minute makeup look, probably more like 5 minutes if you are pretty quick at makeup. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll take out my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on my perfume. I'm gonna actually use the Garmin White Flowers, which is like the Victor and Raw Flower Balm. I'm gonna put that on. So I'm just gonna finish this with a beautiful perfume. I'm gonna kind of get that in my hair and all over the place. Okay, and then I'm gonna put on a lip balm really quick because I totally forgot to do that. So I just have this little like sample of the Laguna Nars Lip Balm, and I'm gonna put that on really quick. Just to give my lips a little bit more color and a little bit of shine, because I don't really wear lipstick hardly ever. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me, and again I want to say thank you to Dossier for sending me these perfumes and for partnering with me in this video. Anyways guys, I have the links to Dossier down below if you want to check them out. And guys, if you liked this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And if you're not part of my YouTube family, I would love for you to stick around and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I just really appreciate it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are having a great day. And remember, you are beautiful just the way you are. Be yourself and be you. That is the most beautiful thing you can be. And the most beautiful thing you can do is be a kind person. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.